Diabetes is fairly common these days. If you look around, you will find quite a lot of your friends, family members diagnosed with diabetes, isn't it? In fact, it is so common that India is known as the diabetes capital of the world. But because it is so common, we do not take it that seriously. The first thing anyone does when detected with diabetes is seek medical help. Most new patients are prescribed new medicines like metformin or insulin, which helps in reducing the sugar level in the blood. You are advised to exercise, avoid sweets, reduce weight, and we think the job is done. Not so simple. Diabetes is far more serious condition and needs to be treated at the root cause. To do that, we first need to understand what is diabetes. Well, type 2 diabetes is a disease of too much insulin hormone. Insulin is a hormone released by the pancreas that absorbs the sugar in our blood and store it in cells for energy. So naturally, higher sugar in the food we eat, higher the insulin release in our body. When we eat sugary and starchy food for long duration, insulin level remains high in the body and eventually body is not able to produce so much insulin to compensate for the incoming sugar, that is glucose in the blood. This extra sugar is expelled through urine and hence frequent urination is the most common symptoms of diabetes. Well, there are other symptoms include constant thirst and hunger. Even if you are not diabetic but constantly hungry, it is something to watch out closely. More serious symptoms include blurry vision, wound that takes longer to heal, and etc. So when we directly start taking hormonal medicines such as insulin, what we are doing is trying to correct the symptoms of diabetes, which is high sugar in the blood, without treating the root cause, that is food habit. If you continue like this for long, trying to control the diabetes with only tablets and non-nutrition, over the time your diabetes will progress and you will be prescribed more dosages or stronger medicine. This is why it is called as chronic progressive disease in the medical field, and patients are made to believe by telling them that diabetes can be controlled but cannot be cured. You are advised to exercise and lose weight. Those who cannot lose weight naturally are advised surgeries like bariatric surgery, and you start getting trapped in this vicious cycle of correcting only the symptoms while ignoring the root cause. Don't get me wrong, exercise and losing weight is generally good for health and everyone should aim for it. But will that specially address the reason for high sugar? No. The reason for high sugar level in your blood is your food habits, and the only permanent solution is changing your food habit for the better. What your body needs is real nutrients your muscle, organ, tissues are made of. Once you completely stop the wrong food and start feeding your body with the right nutrients, you can see a reversal in your insulin levels. The truth is, diabetes can be reversed with right food. I will make a separate detailed video on that topic. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching this.